Hello team, this is Monena Engineer. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking at different Excel techniques that we will be using in our design. As we said that we will be looking at different designs such as slab design, beam design, column design. Mostly I will be using Excel, and I've viewed it better to give you an illustration of the techniques I will be using in Excel, so that when we will be going through you can follow up with me. Then our life will be better and you'll have more understanding. So the first technique that I want to show you is the drop down menu. This technique will help you to get some values that you can use on another formula that I will show you in the next video. You can see this drop down as these values. These values come from a certain table. This is the table which is a span to depth ratio. This table comes from BS 8110. We will be using this BS most of the time. So how to create this? You come to a cell, then you click data validation. You go to the data menu. You can see the data, then data validation. Then you come here. You can see that drop down. You can click the list. It should be in the list form. Then it will show you the source tab. Then you can click on it. Then you just go to the table that you want to be displayed. Then you can highlight the values that you want to be displayed. Then you can click enter. Then you can see everything is okay. Then you can click OK. From there you come here. You can see my drop down. It has a cantilever. You can click and show it. You can click and show simply supported. So you don't need to write a lot of things. You just need to highlight them and they just show up, and you will even avoid spelling mistakes and all that. So thank you and welcome, and see you in the next video so we can discuss some more techniques so we can start our calculations. Thank you so much.